Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Press and hold it until the menu opens. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Scroll through the menu, find the settings option, and once you find it, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu, find the option called the system, and once you find it, press the start button. Now you should see the language option, select it and press the start button to enter. Now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it by using the up and down buttons, find the language you would like to use on your watch, select it, and once you select it, press the start button to confirm and apply it. As you can see, the language changed, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.